Hello, my name is Katie Lample and I'm going to talk through the new features in the HIC area calculator in Oasys 20. In version 19, the HIC area calculator was integrated with Oasys THIS and D3 Plot, which made it possible for users to simply click the blobs on the screen in Primer and have the key results load directly into the post-processing software. In version 20, this functionality has been extended to allow users to more quickly interpret results. So first let's go to THIS and have a look at the new features. I've already read in several HIC curves to this THIS session directly from Primer. By default, the curves are coloured arbitrarily. There is now functionality to colour curves based on their HIC, so the curves with the highest head injury are coloured pink in this plot and the curves with the lowest head injury are coloured blue. This feature can help the user to spot trends in head impact performance. For example, here we can see the difference in the shape of the curves, which have a low HIC versus a higher HIC. The minimum and maximum limits on the contour bar are by default the lowest and highest HIC for any curve in the session, but these can be changed. For example, the maximum could be set to 800, so that curves with a HIC higher than 800 are all coloured pink. Curves which fall into a particular contour band can be blanked and unblanked by clicking on the contour bar. The curves can also be coloured by the target head impact point's X coordinate, Y coordinate, or according to the regulation band which the HIC value lies within. Now we'll have a look at the new features in D3 Plot. I've already opened the animations from the LS-DYNA analysis for two head impact locations. From this new window, I can easily change the colour of the two models so I can distinguish between them in the animation. I can quickly switch on an X-cut section or a Y-cut section through the centre of the head form. We hope that these new features will help you better interpret your pedestrian head impact analyses. Please feel free to get in touch if you have any comments or questions.